Hey up everybody. I just wanted to do a quick say a quick thank you to everybody that's given me information on this contraption. It's a Shaler Spring Winder, and I put it out to everybody if anybody had any information, and I've had a few comments back. Jordy NUFC, he sent me an image with original price of one of these on, which were $9.75. And then I've had another message from Mike Woods. He's put me onto Vintage Machinery website. I also found out from that it were built round about 1929, so it's 95 year old approximately. Doug McLaren sent me a message to say there were some bits missing, and then Jim at Jim's workshop, he sent me a detailed image with some text on that he put on explaining everything about it. I'll just show you that. Yeah, so it's missing a handle on this side, it's missing different sized arbors that fit in here, which wind the spring, and this handle here sets at different positions to give you different pitches on your spring. And then the two washers here are for tensioning the spring. So what I'm going to do then, I'm going to, not straight away, I've got other things to do, but I'll get all missing parts made up, do a bit of a light restoration job on it, and then we'll have a look at see if it will actually wind springs. But just before I do go, so anyway, thanks for that everybody. I mean, just before I go, if anybody tunes into me and they still don't know about Cliff's Shed, take a look over at Cliff's Shed and see that video he's put up of his shed catching fire. And there's a lady, I just forget her name off the top of my head, but I'll put a link in the description. She's one of his followers, and she put a GoFunding site up for anybody to chip a couple of pound in here and there if you want to help Cliff out. I think he's well on his way to his goal. I just forget where it is, but he's well on his way. So if you've not seen or read about Cliff's Shed Fire and you follow him or would like to just donate a little bit, nip over to these links that I put on in this video and give Cliff a chuck out. Anyway, that's it for this one then, and thanks for all the information on this, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now then.